Hello, hello, guys. How are you doing? As always, we are here in the nature as we love traveling. So come, I like to show you what beautiful place we have here. Not far, of course, in Kigali. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, we have coffee here. Not for drinking now, because we are doing some promotion videos. And because I was like this place, I like to show you where you can come for free, chilling, sitting. You can come here for date with your snacks. Anything here with the free of faith. Very beautiful. Wow. I'm finding one beautiful place here in this shadow. It's very beautiful. Yes, this is how you can come and chill. Sit there talking with your friend. We have a good and fresh air here because of nature. You don't need a carpet. We already have these grasses. They are so green. So, this is how it was. It is a little tour here at the shortfall in Nyarutarama. So, enjoy the view, guys. Oh, come on. He's come here. I like to show how we can come and eat without money crime. It is so much work to me after of course. Guavas here, they are not yet ready, but you can see. You can come and you can chill in here with nature. You don't need even crush them. This is stuff what for big bees. So many things. It means it is getting old. This one. Look how big it is. Yes. And we will. Where's to go?